How to fix we couldn't sign you in on Xbox Live on PC. If you've been trying to sign in to the Xbox application on your PC, but you're failing to do so, there are a couple of reasons why this could be happening. First, close the Xbox app completely from your Windows. After that, make sure you're connected to a stable Wi-Fi and network connection. Sometimes it is just that your Wi-Fi is not working well and hence is causing issues with any services related to the internet. Once you've done that, simply open up your settings. Once you open up settings, go to the option apps on the left hand side, then go to the option installed apps. Then once you go to installed apps, these are all the options that you'll find again. Here, simply search for the Xbox app. Here you can see Xbox Live or the Xbox app. So depending upon whichever app you're having issue with, hit the three dots option and go to advanced options. Now, you can try to terminate the app to close it completely, try repairing the app and try resetting the app, and try uninstalling and reinstalling it from your Microsoft Store to see if that helps you. Hopefully one of these may have helped you solve the problem. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thanks for watching and see you soon in the next video.